So learning how you can create this crop effect, it's super easy. So what you have to do, I'm just gonna jump right in this video, so I know your time is valuable. So what you have to do here, just select your video, and then here when you select your video here in effects control, this is what you should see. If you don't see here, or you don't see even effects control, just make sure you enable here effects control in window. And then once you've done that, make sure here in opacity you just expand opacity, and then here once you expand opacity, just click on create eclipse mask, click on that, and now here we have a eclipse mask. And now we can move this, we can hold shift and increase the mask, move the mask where we want. Let's say I would like only this portion, or yeah, maybe this portion here. Now I'll move the mask there, and now I can click on here, motion. And once I click on motion, I can move this where I want. I can also increase from scale, I can increase the scale. And also there, as you can see, there is some feather here, and that's because automatically it is added some mask feather. So I can drag this to 0, and now there's no feather here. So I hope you found this short video helpful. I hope you learned something. Thanks for watching, and subscribe for more.